Good morning, everyone, from beautiful Park Lake. We are just outside of Clancy, Montana, between Helena and Boulder. This is Park Lake behind me, and we're staying at the Park Lake Campground. Such a beautiful place in the mountain. Nice small mountain lake, non-motorized boat access, tons of kayaks and rafts. Great place to come just to hang out with the family, do some kayaking, swimming. There's a couple little islands out there. We spent the night on the island one night, just for fun. What a great trip so far. Like I said, we're at Park Lake outside of Clancy, Montana, and we've been hitting up some trails here with the 4-seat RZR, put the portals on the Nefsun, and I think I'm going to do some swapping back around. Portals with no power steering is quite the challenge, especially on a trail. Anyway, we've been pretty fun little trail, lots of neat scenery, lots of beautiful meadows, tons of flowers blooming, a couple of ponds just hidden back in the hills. Got a few little challenging sections, not too bad though. About any machine could make it up, but just a fun, great experience. We had a stock Toyota Tundra along with us, and it was able to do the whole road also. Now we took the trail from Park Lake, the road, I believe it might be 1871 is the road number it starts at. We took the trail from Park Lake and down and around, and we ended up down by close to Basin. But before there, we got to a town called Wickes. Now, Wickes is not a very big town, but if you ever look up Wix Tunnel, it's an awesome, beautiful place. Boulder Tunnel. Built in 1892 for the railroad to haul ore back and forth. I believe it was abandoned in 1949 and the tracks were pulled out. But it's a really, really cool experience to drive through. It's over 6,000 feet long, so over a mile long of this tunnel. And man, does it get dark inside. But just an awesome experience. The tunnel starts in a little place called Portal, and it comes out in a little place called Amazon. Two of my favorite things. How much better does it get, right? So anyway, check out the video, check out the trail ride. The tunnel is amazing. Notice the optical illusion in the tunnel. With the light bar on the two-seater, with the light is reflecting off the ceiling, and our 6-year-old daughter goes, "It looks like we're gonna fall in a hole." I said, "What?" And if you look at the water, the light reflecting off the ceiling is portraying the entire tunnel in the water, and it looks like we're floating right through the middle. Like there's a huge tunnel below us and above us. Totally awesome, totally cool. Highly recommend doing it. Highly recommend coming and checking this out. Like I said, this is Park Lake, first come, first served campground. Beautiful place, big enough for our new motorhome. We got that 38-foot Alpha, and it fits in the spots just fine. So anything that size or smaller, you'll be all right. There's a hand pump for some water service if you need, but pack it in, pack it out, even pack out some extra stuff that people leave. But we really enjoy it. We love getting out to these places, and this is just one of the more places that we will definitely be back to. Park Lake in Clancy, Montana. Come check it out and check out the video of the trail ride and Wix Tunnel. It's super cool. See you on the trail. Yeah, like an Oreo cow. Yeah. What's that?
We have this on 4-wheel drive. I think that would be fine. Ask.
tons of